Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, and Victor don come with another topic again, wey be we too dey play for dis country. Wetin use dis word tell me be say, anytime something serious happen for Nigeria, some people go turn the thing to become joke wey everybody go dey laugh dey put. Dis kind thing, e no come dey make Nigeria government dey take us serious for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Make you for hear the message wey bring come today. Enjoy the video.
Anyway, my name still remain Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Talk am as e be. Benin go say Gata we no hear. Then the German people will say it the way it is. And they asked my brother just now, make it tell me for a language. Waiting be talk am as e be for a language.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Like I heard the apostle say, me I no be Nigeria. I no be Nigeria, and okay, that sound. Thank you. Me I no be Nigeria, and to come talk about my language, you know, I just give. Have a call.
Hello. Yeah, hello. Yeah, my broadcast now. Yeah. Why it is well. Oh. So, he say he not be Nigeria. Victor, what you dey do for here?
I know they here. I dey not. They use technology.
No. Who sit down with me now?
I sit down with you.
Yes.
Sit down with you now.
No, you sit down with me.
Not technology.
No. If you say that technology, which means you dey lie.
I was more leave Nigeria, but I was Nigeria. Now push and start. More leave Nigeria, but
Okay, push.
Start.
So me say Nigeria na Agbegi. Agbegi motor.
Agbegi better.
You are doing well.
Agbegi the stuff for road.
You are doing well. So, my people, we don't want to shut this evening. One thing I discover for this country, say we too they play for this country. We know they take things serious. We too they play. We too they play for this country. And that's the reason why our government know they take us serious. They go say, don't mind them. They will shout. Don't mind them. They will adapt to it. Don't mind them. They are like that. Because they know say we too they quick adjust. We don't adapt. Then the one that take the crack joke, they go and take crack joke. The one way comment, you can't take the crack joke, comedian, you the crack joke. So they can't turn the country to a joker republic. Nigeria now they don't turn out to joker republic because we do the crack joke. Things where we were supposed to take serious, we know they take them serious. We know they use everything we do they play for this country. And this one will carry my mind go back to NSAS. Now God go punish the government official when he sabotage that NSAS. They end bad governance. And any government official will be saying sponsor hoodlums to take scatter that movement. Now so God go scatter your generation. Now if you see them now, nobody they talk again. We never forget about what transpired. We don't forget. But I will still play video now to refresh on our memory. We too they crack, we too they play for this country. We too they play. So my brother, he's saying that technology. Since in technology, in Sudan, no problem, spirit. So spirit, talk to the people.
All right. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Good afternoon. Good morning. I appreciate everybody when they connect with us on a daily basis. If we talk about the issue of our country, and we analyze them, of apostle country rather, Nigeria, and we analyze them. On a daily basis, it is disheartening.
No problem.
To be honest.
No problem. I'm my country.
And how Nigerians take the undo the issue when concern them. If you look you shake your head. Why? Because the hope towards ensuring this country better, it is very, 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 very far. How our own. No, I correct myself. I beg. You know be Nigerian, Victor, mind yourself. How apostle country our apostle country, leaders for apostle country go just stand up. They go just say, see wetin we wan do. As they talk and come out, they no send anybody again. They no talk and come out make they hear your opinion. No. They just come out say, see wetin we wan do, and they go implement am, and that is the end. And the only best thing when the Nigerian people go do, they will come out, they go shout. Once they shout, 1 day, 2 days, the government again go bring another thing come out, another problem come out. That problem go cover their eyes against wetin dey ground. Before you know, e don finish. No struggle when the Nigerian people don lead from start
Successfully.
to finish successfully.
You
no get. I wan try dey very cautious this evening make I no dey analyse issues when dey go on for this country. I wan just try dey very very careful make I no too dey analyse issues. How corruption index go release their report say for West Africa, Nigeria now number 2
for corruption.
Most corrupt country in West Africa.
You can imagine.
Femi Adesina
The counter
come out say they no report where President Buhari for record success in defeating terrorism. When I say no. This afternoon, Punch put out for their newspaper say RCCG they celebrate Yemi Osinbajo for the successes in his administration.
What?
What? This afternoon, Punch put out for their newspaper. Punch, we did their Twitter account.
Wait.
Say RCCG they congratulate Yemi Osinbajo for his successful administration.
What? Wait. My brother, repeat that again. No, I know here we are beg.
Waiting we dey see when they glaring. Man, when we know when they don't relegate for governance. They don't relegate them. Say, okay, as far as this government is concerned, you the only thing you go to do, you go to anybody when they die, you go to console them. Now when we know say now they ain't they active. Now that person, now him Punch can't come out now. Maybe now one of the redeemed loyalist, now him go Punch go do that one, make the fee accord them, make Osinbajo fit see am. All these things when we know they tell ourselves truth. Tell ourselves truth for this country. We tell ourselves truth for this country. It took how many months for students to resume back to school? Ever since when COVID-19 don't start. Ever since when now students don't even resume back to school as we speak. They resume yesterday. No, today.
Today.
They resume today. They go come start to dey pay fees.
Running to thousands of
naira. Where their parents want to see that money? Where? We have to be truthful to ourselves.
No plan.
Now when I call say if those students resume back to school, may some not join Yahoo, now they joke. May some not join prostitution. You are lying. You are lying. Why? Because when Pikin look left, look right, they pursue come up for exam hall because you don't fit pay school fees. And truly, look him, mama, look him, papa. They could not afford the school fees. And one boy they lay am say, oh boy, how fast? He can't they just come. And this na your guy when you know say this guy your guy on both they suffer before. In less than how many months the boy don't enter wetin they do. You just have to you just buy car. Now you say no go do.
Now make una come play with everything for this country. Now the court and they ask you, man. Okay, reach us in this country.
Now me will ask you.
Okay, I know first. Make I ask my people. In don't come out. My people, why would they play for this country, Nigeria? Why Bishop will not be serious for this country? Things where we go take serious, now we take a crack joke. That's the reason why the government still a crack joke with una. The crack joke. That's the reason why Femi Adesina can come and crack joke. Liar department will come and crack joke. Fashola will come and crack joke. Amechi will come and crack joke. Grandpa Bubu will come and crack joke. El-Rufai will come and crack joke. All of them. Do you know why? Nigeria has become a joker republic. aka playing country. Make una hear am now. Nigeria has become a joker country, aka playing nation. We do dey play. As far as the mass is not serious, don't ever expect the government of Benin to be serious. Just as my brother just now talking, because he say not in Nigeria again. Just as my brother talking just now. Yeah? This nothing we never embark on for this country will finish successfully. We never embark on any protest or solidarity march say we achieve 100% success. No. Why? Because we do the play. We do the crack joke. So that's the reason why from today more they call her Comedy Republic, aka playing nation. Make una dey hear me so.
No, be nation. No, never reach nation.
Okay.
No, be like local government.
Okay, playing local government.
No,
They never reach nation.
No, nation. For
Because you know this country. I beg, just dey give me the
I
information.
go dey advise you now.
Just dey advise us. I mean, I still dey. Just dey advise us. Whether you still like am or not, you are still in Nigeria. For as long say you are in this country, you are in Nigeria. Whether you take it or you leave it, you still dey drink our water.
Yes. You are forcing my nationality.
You are still drinking our water. You are eating our food. You are driving on our road. You don't have any choice.
You are forcing my nationality.
You are eating our bread. You are eating our fufu. You are eating our rice.
Okay.
For as long you are still in this country, you are in Nigeria.
No be one of the House of Rep member. The talk say to beef, should they import beef from UK come Nigeria?
That's what we say now. Comedy Republic.
They tell you so. You didn't know if whatever meeting are importing it.
You?
For the metal they do. I can't do research on.
Where you for importing food? You and me know.
I want to move take am down this way again. I don't want the partisan and move talk am as e be. To prove say Nigerians dey joke. Share some people dey decamp from APC come PDP now. For Edo State, yes now. To prove say una dey joke on our country. The same people that collected money to fight against you people. They were in APC. They collected 40 million naira as they did talk am that time for election. So they give them, as I said, 40 million. They collected the money. They worked against you people. Now una call it celebrate say
they don't come back.
Welcome home.
That's why I talk say una too dey play. Una not serious for this country. Una too dey play.
I remember let me answer this question. Wetin una need them for now to do for una party?
No, maybe they need them to dey boost membership strength.
Membership.
According maybe them.
Why una no wait to accept them? Few months to another election. Why now?
You know say all these people they be prostitutes.
Now they play apostle.
You know so see we dey talk am as e dey be.
Not until una country devise strategy, policies when go choke them up. Policies such as no politician can cross carpet from his party to a party, another party, until after 10 years.
You wan kill them? Na there for the feed o.
No politician, nobody wan serve Nigeria for politics when im pikin go school abroad. As far as say you dey hold political position, your children must not comot for this country go school outside. Not until una devise such means their head go dey correct. But say una dey look dem boost membership strength. When membership low, una no win election.
They win o. They win election.
So wetin una need the membership for now? After the money wey dem collect, they don bring am come out.
And my brother, you go go ask them. I know they there. Even when I will see some people now they celebrate. Oh, this person have returned to PDP. Oh my God, you people are so daft. Joker Republic. So the new name for this country is Joker Republic, aka playing local government. Because my brother said we never
you don't give her two names. You first say comedy. No, joker again.
No. I talk about comedy.
Yes, you first say comedy Republic.
Okay.
Too much for this
no,
country.
comedy and Joker now. No, my people, I should be talking about Joker now.
You first talk say comedy Republic.
Because you talking about Joker. No.
They split this country.
No.
They split that country.
Don't put word for my mouth. Coco, you're a bad boy. Don't put word in my mouth. Now, Joker Republic.
Okay,
no man.
Joker.
Yes, no man this boy.
Okay, Joker.
He's not in
So
Nigeria.
we put up a map, word map.
See, word map. See, as we did, I said we see the joke. But we are not joking. We dey talk am as e dey be. Nigeria is not a joker country, aka playing is it a nation?
No, you know the non-Irish nation.
What you will call
local government.
Playing local government.
Nothing by weapon.
For where?
Nothing by weapon. Where nation they buy?
Which weapon? They fit buy weapon. Even the way they buy, they give Fulani. Nama. So, my people, not until we wake up to take the bull by the horn, we never ready.
Do you have to wear masks? Okay, right. Efosa Victor, how old are you? Like seriously, University of Benin resumes today. Do you have to wear masks?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Tell them.
Thank you, sir. The last time I checked, I deserve the right for privacy. My name is Victor. How old are you? Please, I like to keep that to myself for the now. If you want to know further, please we can communicate in privacy. University of Benin resumes today. Yes, that's true. Do you have to wear masks? Yes, it's mandatory. It's mandatory for every student. In short, I think they were asked to get 2 or 5 face masks? 5 face masks. Yeah. Each student are asked to at least have 5 face masks and then 2 hand sanitizer. Now the information when the PRO sent through the office of the vice chancellor with that.
Okay. I want to play that NSAS video because each time I listen to the video at the verse. I want to play more, you know, as I'll take play now. I want to make the share.
You're welcome. Now, please be sure to subscribe to our official YouTube channel and follow us on our social media handles at official AIT Live on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to stay up to date on today's biggest stories.
Because joke for this country, joke at the public, comedy nation.
EndSARS and End Bad Governance protesters in Edo State this Sunday held a special Sunday service and special prayers for Nigeria. In Ugbowo. The protesters who blocked both sides of the road say they're not going to retreat from the End to Bad Governance protests across the country until a new Nigeria is given birth to.
This is the popular Benin-Lagos Expressway by the University of Benin Main Gate in Ugbowo. These EndSARS and End Bad Governance protesters are holding 2 special Sunday services here as part of the protest to call for an end to bad governance in Nigeria.
There's 2 questions about EndSARS. Yes, sir. There's 2 questions about End Bad Governance. Yes, sir.
This is the real church. The church is not the 4 wall. It is the people. That's the reason why I have to do the church on the street.
We are not relenting. We will not rest until we get good government. We are tired of the high cost of governance, police brutality. We want an end to bad leadership.
Done with the Sunday worship service on the expressway, they embarked on a long-distance prayer walk from the University of Benin Main Gate through to Uselu and so on to pray for a new Nigeria.
As a young people, as a youth, we are saying no to bad governance, we are saying no to corruption, we are saying enough is enough.
Nigeria must be reset. Nigeria must be reformed now.
And what we're asking for is not rocket science, it's doable. Reform our institutions.
If I fight for a better today, my children will enjoy a better tomorrow.
Many residents of the state had to trek long distances to their various destinations as a result of the blockage of the Benin-Lagos Expressway by the protesters.
The EndSARS protesters in Edo State, particularly those holding their protests along the Benin-Lagos Expressway by the University of Benin Main Gate, say they will continue to hold their church services along this road, as well as block major roads in Benin City until bad governance is put to an end in Nigeria. Ohioze Inarume, AIT News, Benin.
Staying with the protest, it's
No,
not
I better
clear
talk.
the end.
And that's how we see and reach now.
We all of now.
We don't come out now. We talk. And they devise their strategy. They disperse everybody. Everybody run. As we speak right now, Nigerians don't they manage
The crisis.
the crisis. as we speak right now, how Titus go be 350 naira. That sardine 350 naira. Why? One bag of cement 3,500.
Now we take by this money.
3,500.
Trip of sand 25,000.
Trip of sand 25,000.
Depending on the area.
Everything they add on a daily, and Nigerians they look say, how much they add food? You go say 5,000. You go say add and join. You go say add and join. The government no dey see. The government they see. The government will never do anything. Not until the Nigerian people. If you no wake up, na joke. Now we dey so.
Joker Republic, aka playing local government.
Shey Ganduje, the governor of Kano State, he don't come out. He don't say make them stop to the trade cow from north to south or west. He don't come out. He say make them stop am. They should stop it. Anybody wey wan get Nama farm, buy land or rent land or lease land, the case may be. Build a ranch inside. Who say may not do your business? Build a ranch inside. Pay your necessary tax and do your business. How person go come from far say one can't do business? You can't come your state, can't go inside forest. Can't go inside forest. Say na inside forest they do in business.
Not a joke.
Say na inside forest they do in business. Shey they kidnap people for Ugo on Friday for here. And we dey talk say see wey dey happen. Some people dey tell us say there be menial job. there be menial job. Say mo leave the matter for una now.
Joker Republic.
Oh, now shey Ugo community na forest.
Na forest now.
Shey they don come town. Una know say we dey talk am. Say those when they run from coming out to confront the acts of this bad government.
Now come meet you now. We on a hard put.
Inside house
is
not safe. Inside house, no safe.
See wetin I observe, my brother. No be day first today. On Friday, one of these northern governor gives scholarship to 200.
Jesus.
Yes, scholarship to 200 students.
They fly them abroad.
Fly them abroad. Some are to go study petrochemical engineering. Some
medicine,
computer medicine
and surgery.
Now, how many south or southwest governor don't ever give us scholarship to any country of our choice, and then this northern governor pay in full?
Apostle, may we talk am as it be.
We'll talk am as it be.
You see Igbenedon University?
Yes.
Igbenedon University, I think Kano State government.
Yes.
They sponsor over 700 Kano youth for Igbenedon University.
You dominate.
Igbenedon University for year.
Okay. How many of our person they were the sponsor? Greed, wicked people.
Igbenedon University for year when they Okada year. Kano State government they sponsor over 700 students from Kano.
From there, our own Joker. We do the joke.
They dey on that scholarship. They dey on a monthly payroll. And as they dey so the government get their database. As they finish, they position there.
They position there. Why we for southwest now we know pass. We will never sponsor our people. We will never give our people scholarship. We will never give the best brain scholarship. They don't wake up. Some people they thought they don't go to school. As of today now, they want match us education by education.
Apostle, ma tell you now.
I better talk.
No. If you see Hausa when go school, Apostle, just rest.
Okay.
If you see Hausa when go school, if you hear them they talk, I get them as friends. If you hear them they talk,
okay.
They sound like French. They sweet for ear.
Okay.
They very sound. Why? Because they give them full opportunities
to study.
They get access to resources, financial resources, everything. They get access. So if they go to school, they go to school well, finish. Where we say we they struggle, they go school. Food we no chop. Carry empty belly, go nice class.
Drink garri for afternoon.
Go read. Come out again. Go carry turn eye, enter exam or go write.
Now you can see me pass. Our South leaders, all of them be our problem. When I listen to the documentary, how the northern governor they carry their children out of the country.
Today start.
My brother, do you know now India they carry them go?
Yes, now. Not be today.
India.
Not be today start.
So,
it's not 268 some.
Yes. May they go study the best university
different
in
courses.
India. So go study law, medicine, aeronautic engineering, all of them. Our own petroleum engineering. So by the time they come back, they don't position them. Now they tell us now, we are ready to train our people free to match with you guys. We zero. Even the best brain we get for Southwest, we go sit down top of their head. Job we no agree give them. Then the old man wey suppose don retire, he no agree retire. As you retire, they will say give am a contract. You go come become contract staff. Thereby sitting on the destiny of other people who na dey joke. My brother talk, I don't want to vex this evening.
I mean, I did try control my mouth, apostle. I did try control my, you know, say now in our country, I did talk calm. Now I did try control my mouth. Why? Because say, I'm never serious. No. If Nigeria serious, I know what they talk now. If Nigerians serious, if Nigerians serious, this country, no, they don't suffer people for this country.
And time don't reach for us to start to hold all our South governors responsible. South, Southwest, Southeast will begin to hold all our governors responsible because they are not me well for us. That's the truth of the matter. See, not we say not. Go and look how developed that area is. Oh, they are carrying money, oil money. What about the oil money people are getting? What about the oil derivation? What do they do? Come on, NDDC, where government see provide to take care of the people. The money for NDDC, una sit down on top.
Not be government even provide anything. Government use NDDC set trap.
Give us.
Go through the history of NDDC now.
No, not be Obasanjo.
They will have focus groups in the south.
Okay.
When they agitate, they pressure government. They pressure government say no, this injustice in terms of sidelining must stop. Now in government can look say okay fine if that's the case. This organization, so how many of them they registered?
Okay.
They can't see them. That's they reached about 15 that year when they registered. They can't say okay fine. Make those 15. Make them do a draft. They should prepare a draft on how if they appoint them as one organization, how they fit take manage resources for Nigeria Delta, and then they go to allocate resources to them.
Okay.
Now in NDDC they come on board. Okay. So it be like say citizens, indigenes of a particular region, they agitate. They go say, oh yeah, make una head them.
Okay.
We see head them. We can't see they kill ourselves, John.
Oh. So to call it oppress ourselves, Jonah. The money allocated to NDDC, it go fear you. And this money now reach to give everybody free scholarship for Niger Delta. Some of our evil leaders, elders, will sit down and put for the money.
Where is Akpabio's case today?
Which case? Which case?
Where the una acting boss went faint.
Okay, our acting boss. I never hear from her again, no. I never hear from her again. You know, say we don't share this country already. You forget we don't share them.
Where una acting?
This country, na Joker Republic. Joker Republic, aka plain local government.
Okay, you don't get that way.
And now Joker. Take time. Joker Republic, aka plain local government, because we never reach nation. We do the joke. We are not serious in this country.
Where the acting NDDC boss went faint.
I say faint. I bet demonstrator.
Today,
faint.
Demonstrator. What did they call him? The chairman for the committee. They have to say, sir, please, you have the document on you. He said, the document. He said, okay, hold on. He said, okay. He said, please, I will get back to you. He said, no, you can't get back to me.
Okay,
he said, no, you have to. He said, before you know, you carry paper.
Faint. Oh yeah, faint.
Hey, you don't go pay me about
off the mic.
I call here, Jesus. Baby, no. I said Jesus. Now I remember I said Jesus there exists.
You know what I say? Off the mic. Where off the mic? Joker Republic.
Now I remember I said Jesus there exists.
Yeah. Jesus will bring the flog all of you.
I remember I said Jesus there. Today, the acting inspector general of police today.
Did I ask you? Yes, so you want to go to overseas. Yes, if you want to come
overseas. I did overseas.
He's in overseas, but his spirit, soul, and body is still here with me.
I did overseas already. Una acting inspection of police in this in term elapsed today.
Yes.
In term elapsed today.
They were still now.
By default, wetin make una country never fit make preparation to either appoint am fully or to bring in somebody else.
Why we go prepare? We are not always prepared. See, if IGP come out, they should get another IGP from the south. This one. See, another photo master show. As they remove this IGP from the north, as you come out today, we want to hear that IGP from the southwest, or southeast has been appointed.
Can I ask you a question?
Ask question.
IGP from south and southeast.
They would safe.
Una get position for police. Una get mouth.
Do you know the problem, sir?
What's the problem, sir?
Our people, all the governor, all of una put together, all the stakeholders, all of una put together. Do you know, say, when the Nigerian army want recruit, if now 100 slots, 90% go stay for north.
Yes, now.
They don't come share that 10 where remain within the southeast. Yes. No, don't even remove east, southwest. Now, when it reach the time for police recruitment, if now 100 persons they want recruit, 99, in fact 95, it go day north.
Yes. 5
they go share am. They go say 2 for southwest, 2 for southeast, for south, 1 for southeast.
Okay, I'll ask you one question now.
Ask question.
Why they pay you now? Una get the country. Now not get the country. Una no understand this in our country where. See, I believe say una need to go study. Una never know una country. Una need to go study. Make una understand the makeup of una country.
No, we already not say. See.
Why you not complaining?
Why not complaining?
Why you go complain?
No, if sand too plenty for water, blind man go share.
And then the best thing to do is to dissolve the country.
And then we dey talk so now, dissolve the country.
Okay.
No, we are saying.
Now you are talking. But if you say, make they come dey share allocation, make the allocation come be 50-50 for we year, now una get the country.
They should dissolve the country.
As far as una dey concerned, and we when dey outside dey look una. As far as we dey concerned, we know say.
See, I beg, make una not look us again. We need help. I beg. We need help. I beg. No, we need help.
Okay.
Please, we need help. We need help. Please, we need help. We need help. We need help. We need help. Oga Victor, which country you dey now?
How you go say you need help for country when una leaders dey say we are doing well?
Which lead? We not get leaders. We get we don't have leaders at all. We have demons. Witches and wizards.
They say una dey do well. Una dey tell us say there's no problem in our country as far as we are concerned. If una leaders come United Nations and we get World Leaders Summit, then they tell us say you people are doing fine.
Now so they talk. Now that will kill them. We are not doing well. In this country right now, we are not doing well. I hear say they want to produce vaccine for Nigeria now. They don't budget 10 billion naira. You never hear.
They want produce vaccine.
Vaccine. Coronavirus vaccine.
Who be the researcher? Who won't research?
Now those herbal medicine. What about if let's say the 400 billion where they don't mark to bring it back, you know, say Mr. Konto say they not get where they want to preserve them. You never hear. And that money now they don't share them. They don't share that 40 billion, 400 billion, they don't share them. So the 10 billion now we they say for herbal medicine, for vaccine. We never even do vaccine for cancer.
Cancer, too much, malaria.
Oh, sorry, no, we try now. At least we get bitter leaf now.
That will not be vaccine. You say
okay.
We
never get. No, they say
9 out of 10 people when they live for Nigeria get malaria.
That's not true. And then share now. They say now want to do vaccine. Now we say witches and wizards with native doctor they go fight well. Because some of those trees, you know, say they can say moringa they work. All of a sudden, moringa tree can disappear. Dogoyaro for malaria. All of a sudden, we know they see dogoyaro again. Because our evil people, they don't loot their money. When I want to do vaccine, more than not count years. See, tomorrow now, here's a native doctor with which they fight, or native doctor with government they go to fight, because some of those things where they want use for vaccine, according to them, I have oh God, una the joke.
Heavily, my own special advice, I be say, if the Nigerian people, they hope say this country go better, na the joke.
For now, the country no better. Now God mercy you.
Now, more will take them down to 2023 elections. We dey look am for eye. We don't enter February now. Gradually, 2021 will come up for the picture by God's grace. We will enter 2022. Now then, some people will come out. They tell us they won't come become president. How now? How? Ever since the last election, none of them don't come out to put structure in place. Even to Sowore. Sowore just the talk. To be honest, why? No realistic or visible plan on how it can be achieved. We don't want play. We talk about realistic plan when Nigerians go key into, they go put their life on top. Realistic plan. Now, by this time, Nigerian government was if you identify, say as we speak right now, we need to get at least 3 strata of policing from the local government level to the state government level, then to the federal government. They suppose hide military. So anything when overpower local government, they feel beckon on state government. If you overpower state government will beckon on federal police. If you overpower federal police, they feel come bring in military. But no, our first approach na to bring in military. For where now? For democratic regime. For situation when we say with all indication it can be managed if the government are proactive enough. If the government are proactive. Justice Clem. So where is our next? For where now?
Not possible.
For where?
Okay. President for Comedy Republic.
For where? See, let's get it right. We are talking about a realistic goal. See, we don't want joint movement where you can't happen. We can't say. See what Obasanjo talk today. He said the youth should do everything within their power to ensure that they evict the old people away from governance. That's what he said. Not be by. When we talk about people when go get this enthusiasm, we suppose dey street now. We suppose dey mobilize ourselves now. Nobody, you see, if someone gets 2,000 votes for 2020 election, I lie. 2,000. What will they tell you now? No matter what, these guys in these both parties, APC and PDP, they are big wigs. They already have the resources to do anything when they want to for this country, and to get power from them. Don't be waiting for them to carry the talk from out. No, they have to see that. If you can flip back to the to what happened during the NSAS, if you did Nigeria, if you see the spirit of the NSAS, you'll know say rain fall for Nigeria at that point in time. You'll know say the reign of emancipation fall for Nigeria. Don't be waiting. We don't want to come play. So whatever presidency. How?
We not don't leave that place.
How?
That's
a joke.
I'll stop that joke.
It has to be the goal must be realistic. The goal must be realistic. How many states you don't move? How many states you don't come and those states spend 1 week? See, and in the next 1 week, I'm going to those states to go and mobilize in those states.
I want to go. You forget in Ale Abuja the same state. See this one now. Which one they say shut up. This is the problem with
Bright Coca, shut up. Okay. The youth should mobilize. So where is old? You guys are part of the problem. Okay. Can I ask you a question, please? Because you want to pass this information now. Do you not think that the best word to say is for me to shut up.
Yeah. Oh.
Can you assess your manner of reasoning now? Assess your manner of reasoning. You think because you want to pass this message, the first thing to say is that I should shut up and that Sowore is old. Come now, you are the youth. Come, let us vote for you. Come.
No.
And we need to change our mindset.
A problem.
We need to change our mindset. We need to change our mindset. That's the truth.
Problem?
Yes, Bright. Okay, we need to change our mindset. No, you can't tell me sorry for the shut up. You can't tell me sorry for the shut up.
No.
No, you can't tell me. You said it out already. Because out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. It's an insult to my person. Take it or leave it. So if you want to assess yourself now, you think you now, you have the right orientation. Please, let's control how we speak. I'm very sorry. Let's control how we speak because you're on media and you're on air. Thank you very much. So, as we talk, they go. The Nigerian people must be realistic in setting their goals. Whoever wants to contest, how many of them don't come? Okay, fine. For this week, we're going to be spending 5 days. I'm moving my train to Edo State this week to mobilize people. You come to Edo State, you ensure that you move from community to communities, sensitize people. Before you know, you raise people. You understand? When go join the train, okay, fine. The next week, I'm moving to Delta State.
Well, I want to move. You forget they put her for, but you forget it. They say me not come for Abuja.
Then that means you should hold on.
Good. Now, make I no first so. Now I don't cut word for your man. I'm only I cut small according to our dialect.
Yes, sir.
If well, no be I won't leave show or no be matter with this. Come on, if I know. Anyway, more add something to Jonah. If he say I want to become president, we agree. Oh. You the Abuja, say me stay for Abuja. For all the 36 other states, how you don't take the coordinate your people? Do you have a coordinator? What has been their plan? Have they been moving and mobilizing the people? If yes, we have not seen anyone. If no, do something about that, then we know you are serious. But as of now, forget it.
Finish. Because it takes nothing for the big parties when we know to mobilize hundreds and thousands and millions of people
sharp.
For Edo State. It takes nothing to mobilize hundreds and thousands of people for Edo. It takes nothing. In less than 1 week, you go to see say people
because they give them money.
Because they have the resources.
Make I come out today say now as an apostle, I want to contest as a member of House of Assembly. Now all of them affected me say make I die house. I go say no, for what? Man of God should not join politics.
Yes, now that now.
Now then I go bring come out. So that is the problem. Maybe if Victor come out tomorrow say I want to contest. We say go and sit down. Why must you? Don't you know all the men are there? See, the youth now we be our problem by ourselves. We didn't because now we don't see you still betray ourselves. That's why they call and today. Me I don't call it Nigeria is a joker republic, aka playing local government. When I hear so, Nigeria is a joker republic, aka playing local government. Yes, because we do the play.
Because you get the local government.
Yes, right. Playing local government. We never reach nation.
No.
We do the play.
Don't talk about nation.
We do the play. We are not, in fact, we take things for granted in this country. They increase fuel, they increase tariff. As I talk to you now, they don't increase tariff. You can't pay electricity bill. We everybody adjust. Everybody just say, well, because I have money to buy. Does your neighbor have money to buy? Your neighbor not get money to pay the electricity bill. See, I never shave. I not get money to go shave. Victor, I beg you, borrow me money to go shave.
For our own country.
I beg.
Our own country. Sure. Every May they get shaving post.
We never our country we not get. So I never shave. So they beg Victor now make it. Victor, beg borrow.
Somebody just said something. From okay, I think this should be a female.
Yeah.
My faith. You people should do this locally because people in Nigeria don't come online. Okay. Let me open this up fully. I think was it on November 24 when we held our strategic youth conference?
Now November now.
Yes, we held our strategic youth conference. See, let us say it the way it be. Don't forget say this program.
Talk as it be.
An average Nigerian person especially youth. See.
Not like anything we no get money.
You want do orientation. Waiting you know. waiting you orientation for waiting. Waiting you know when you want to do orientation. I'm trying to give you their mindset. As far as say they never hear, say one as small as 1,000.
No fallout.
No fallout.
They no come.
See just rest. But in this same country, people pay as more as 50,000 to go and sit down and listen to comedy.
Don't be so they pay 200,000.
250 for table for 4 to go and listen to comedy.
So they pay 500.
And whereas you can't call them say you want organize program for them to be reoriented.
They no go come.
They no go come.
Never. That's why I call it Comedy Republic.
So
Joker Republic.
For we are playing our own part, and as you dey watch and so help us share am to people when you know when they Nigeria, and share and give like 3 people or 5 persons. After 3 days,
they'll call
after 3 days, call them, ask them wetin they hear for that broadcast. In short, go as far as sending recharge card for them data for them to hear. They no go.
They prefer to go that data to go watch pornographic or go do Naija bet or Naira bet.
3 days for Nigeria waiting trend for Twitter. You get one dirty thing when trend for Twitter where woman they naked online. In less than how many hours that challenge record millions of people
watching rubbish.
Person ojo open his eye, he go
raise. I'm flying. Oh God.
He go raise am before
this country know. That Joker Republic.
I don't know the way they do it. Before you know, cloth don't come out for your body. White light don't turn to red light. You go to see the sign of nakedness. You go to dance.
Error.
Don't be one person come send to apostle say one woman when follow do the the woman when follow do am. She don't know say some stubborn boys when they online they don't get software to hack the video. So as she start am before she know they don't hack the video. So the red light when she sees in a red light they turn her back to white light. A naked picture, a naked video come dey pornographic site. Now she can't write the man say abeg see wetin the man fit do make the man fit help her retrieve her video comot for the pornographic site. Say if her husband see her husband go kill her. You can imagine that.
But if you tell me that man, I consider listening. I go say what?
For yeah?
Go say those men they are joking. Don't listen to them.
For yeah?
But now so rubbish.
It trend in less than how many hours? That rubbish trend for Twitter. It trend. Everybody, people go put cloth naked, they dance.
Check the views now. How many views? 59. Number to call. Oh, sorry, may I give you the number? May you call in
070 670 13210 070 670 13210. Apostle go pin the number now. Now when we do online, we know how much for the data. How many people they view now? 61.
Because we know they do saga.
Yes now. 61.
Because we know they carry person matter they talk.
61. See, okay, don't go 65 now. Yeah. Now 65 people, 9 the world. 9 be Edo people. 9 be Nigerian people.
They are not going to agree listing.
No now. But more we talk say we they bring one comedian.
Oh,
come the show.
Come crack joke now.
Come crack joke.
Yeah,
everywhere go
1,000 view.
Everywhere go full.
But all of them, God bless you now. It's also now one change.
Yes now.
God bless you now.
That's why when I say we they appreciate una on a daily basis. Una they connect with us on a daily basis. That means una get interest for Nigeria matter.
Make I tell you, somebody called me yesterday and God bless that woman. When she Victor, do you know the first question when she asked?
No, sir.
He said, man of God. I said, man. He said, how una they do na subscription?
Okay.
How? We una they get money for that. How? He said, whether government they subscribe for una. Now I said, which government? I said, no. This is just personal effort. He said, what? I said, yes. This is personal effort. And there are some persons where just man of God, take the tenor, we'll use that to buy data. Naidu Mako say, no, it's not supposed to be like that. I say, well, now the country, now the situation we'll find, we'll find ourselves. I say, but where, now the decision we don't take, we go pay the price. Now you come, I say, you they work. I say, by the grace of God, I'm an architect. By profession, I'm a builder. Not be say joke. I don't need to call the make noise every day. I'm an architect by profession, I'm a builder. And we're also into real estate. I say the small money we they get, now we take they do that subscription. And now be this. Hello, good evening. Okay, sorry sir, I beg. Without put time for last speaker.
Okay.
And they talk with you, sir.
Yes, when I went on there.
Good evening, sir.
They listen to the trial, my best. You see, a lot of problem they will cause this predicament where Nigeria is so. Number one, now decadence in education. You see, knowledge brings power. We don't have good structures. We don't have the right structures for foundation. If we don't have people who are qualified as graduates, well-learned people with intellectuals, we will not get them. You see, the problem can never be settled. There are some fights you don't even need ammunition to fight. You need civilization, you need awareness, you need knowledge, and it will be done. Take, for example, the Obaseki and what is his name, Oshomole Taga. You see, some collective individuals like you and me were able to pass sensitive information that are vital to winning wars without weapons. And the biggest weapon we used was not ammunition, it was just wisdom and knowledge. With that knowledge, we came, we conquer, we saw and conquered. So if you look at our youth now, if you see people going to school, don't think they are learning. Majority are not learning. If you see graduates that we have today, some of them are not even up to par with former standard 6 students we had, children we had before. It's not about going to the school, coming back to say, oh, I'm a graduate, I've got certificate, I've got my degree. Then what did you bring from the school? Do you have what it takes to say you are a degree holder? Can you defend that certificate? This is a problem. This is a very big problem. It has started a long time now. It is breeding another product that is worse than what it was. That is number one. We need knowledge. We need awareness. We need education. We cannot do anything without education. Nothing can be done. That is one. Number two, if you look at the way Nigerians are doing with religion, you will see that religion has come to damage. Religion has contributed to the predicament of Nigeria today. Religious leaders have made it, especially my own. I can speak about my own religion, Christianity. I cannot condemn them. I'm not judging them. It is visible. There are evidence everywhere that people now believe in miracle instead of hard work. People believe that you cannot make it through hard work. The only way to make it is by miracle or by any hook or crook. Any society with this kind of belief will never progress. My brothers, I'm talking to you now. There are a lot of people that depend on us over here for a living. And when you send money today and they are expecting to receive it tomorrow, if you go and call them and say tomorrow we have to come out to tell the government that what we are suffering here, they will tell you don't try to tomorrow they are going to receive our money. Those people two problems have tied us down.
Thank you, sir. No,
But I just want to make that little contribution so that other people can contribute.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Powerful. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Quickly, a few minutes to go. We they appreciate all our viewers. Yes, so I will not take una for granted though.
None at all.
Even the shares, even the person, plenty past the view. We know that's why we dey appreciate una. Well. So we not take una for granted though. Even if na one person, it's not easy, not be will subscribe for you.
At all.
So for that matter, now do my call say no be government. Not say no. Now we dey do by ourselves. And that person don't call. Hello, good evening. Oh.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
How you doing?
Fine, sir. Good evening.
Thank
you for the wonderful job when you people are doing. Yes, I want to contribute.
Yeah, your name and where you dey call?
I did fine, sir. Sir, my name is Eris. I'm from Benin, from the local government.
Okay.
Welcome, sir.
I just want to contribute because I did see some of the work, some of the good work when they do for those states.
Thank you, sir.
Just that because before I follow somebody, before I use my phone to follow somebody, and I will first watch the person whether not the truth in the talk. I got to get the fact whether the truth when the person they talk. If you look now, you know say where truth there, some people not the quick go there.
That's true.
Now where bad thing there, they quick go. If now maybe now woman now they come there now they show body for them now you will see all of them now the views when you get like 1,000, 2,000 views for there. But when you are speaking the truth, people will not come there. They will say, let's just leave this person. And number two, there is one video that you just did of recent.
Sorry, the record don't enter. Sorry. Hello. Okay. Good evening from where? Oh.
From the United States.
All
Please,
right.
I want to contribute.
Please go ahead.
Yes, I'm engineer Uyopafi. I went to Adamu College and relocated to the United States. I was able to go to their school here, and I was one of the best. But the issue I'm having now is that my cousins, my little niece and nephew, came. And they told me it's a good result, right? And make one. He got in different good grades. But now, in school, they are struggling. So I now call them. How do you get this result and you are struggling when America is English for the method of going to school is very easy. They tell you what they are going to bring out to their exam. It's just for you to practice. So, why we are doing something when we struggle sometimes to write why I need to write for the time. So these people they wrote it one, and now they have nothing to show for it. So if you don't have anything to show for it, that means the problem is done, it has started already. Because this they are encouraging them not to put in the hard work. Now they are coming to America, now they are struggling. Normally anybody that comes from Nigeria to America, they are superstars. They are the best in their class. Even an average, I was an average student. So when I came to America, I was one of the best. But now my cousin became, my nephew became, you will see now they have the A1, A2. And they don't know anything. So it's a big problem because now it's already affecting me. Now I'm having to spend time to teach them. I think they will not go to secondary school. Just now I'm pushing them so that it will not be a mistake. I'm pushing them. Okay, please, okay, if you have any problem, come to me. Part of this, using me to go and teach them. When I need them, they go to a thing now in that. So you see this is already affecting our youth.
Yeah.
They don't know how to study. When we're writing exams, we study also.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
But now they don't know how to study.
Thank you, sir.
So
that's my little contribution. I always listen to you, Apostle, and God will continue to bless you. This is the first time I'm calling to your program. I normally listen to you, and please, you people should not speak about the views, because normally after, even if I don't watch it on live, most people will always think I watch the game. So I just want to encourage you for thank you very much for what people are doing.
Yeah. Yeah. So my brother, when they try to cover you for WhatsApp, I better make you call again, eh? Another call, enter. So, una do well. So my brother, when they call for WhatsApp, that will be last call. So if you not, just try call direct, because if you want to share one vital information, just try calling direct, eh? Because that call will still enter. Sorry, no verse. Okay. Time fast spent. My brother, make you appreciate all our people, because we'd all drop the message for today.
All right, thank you so very much for tuning in with us. We would never take it for granted. Why? Because this program, we know design this program for ourselves. We design this program for the good people of Nigeria, the good people of Edo State, which una be serious stakeholders to this project. We appreciate all the time when una they spend either online or offline to follow.
That's it, okay. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Yes, we're on live broadcast now. Do you want to contribute? Okay. Okay, on this broadcast now, I'm the last speaker I will have in Utah. Yes, we're on live broadcast now. We're on live broadcast now. Do you want to? Okay, quickly talk. All right, you have 1 minute.
Okay.
No, Zebo, speak pidgin English. May everybody hear.
Okay. I really thank you for what you are doing. Thank you so much. May God protect you. Almighty God will protect you. I really like you because you put Bible first for everything you are doing. You put the word of God first. So what I want to talk now is not the time we are playing now. So the whole youth is to rise up now to know how are we going to fight this pursuit Fulani in our life. We need to check because no time to wait. Because all those people, they are ready. They are really ready. Even the way they rape our women, the way they kill our innocent women, even father in the bush in their own house. So it's time now. Whether we want to go to community to organize, to tell our youth wake up. So we that live in you, we know how are we to go to contribute. We need to contribute because we don't have anything we are going to. There is our Lord. We are in trouble. We are coming back to our family.
All right.
Before we come, no food need to come and grab us, to come and kill us for our house.
Noted. Mercy. All right. All right, man. Yeah. Now, so we see. Talk about CB. All our viewers, in fact, not too much. I know say we get organic viewers and followers. And God go bless all of una. Not too much. I give una 3 boza.
Boza.
Una too much. I will not take una simplicity for granted because not people subscribe for una. So before we quickly go, that will matter. Now you can say how una continue to subscribe. How? Now say every week 10K for subscription. That one for only internet to WhatsApp never day. I said, but God they raise people. People they play their part. Then we still play our part. You say, I say yes. So this one our own personal sacrifice for us to feel release the right information for our people. May they feel get the right information. This one our own sacrifice. So when I hear people say we don't get work, you think would they pin me? I say, like person don't really know what they talk. So we say we are jobless. You are blessed. If you know how much for subscription, you don't toss it with the jobless. My brother, I beg, talk, but come and go sleep. I'm hungry.
All right.
Go shave.
We appreciate everybody when tuning with us today, when tuning with us yesterday, and also when you join us again later for our subsequent broadcast. My name is Remain Victor Olise.
Olise, you say you are not in this Nigeria again, no? I beg, who knows you go fit come carry Victor? I beg, come carry him. I don't release him. I'm gonna come carry him. I don't release him. Me release you. I don't tie your leg. Forget. All of us did this struggle.
No, we're gonna do Bluetooth. We're gonna do
no. All of us
we're gonna do Wi-Fi broadcast.
You know. So, my people, God bless you. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are wonderful. You guys are lovely. I want to say thank you for your encouragement. Make I speak Edo, Wayawese, Ingledo, Wayawese, Wayawese, Oja, I said, Sierra, Edo, so we'll continue to fight to ensure we have stable economy, also ensure that things are working well for us. Reasonable governance, not be all these evil people. And I trust God things will be okay. God bless you. Good night.
Thank you.
We move.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Let us know what you think for comment section. And before you go, I beg, help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the year everything where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.